Welcome everyone, I'm Helena, and today we're diving into the world of creative blurring in Lightroom. So whether you're aiming for a subtle soft background or a bold bokeh effect, Lightroom provides options for both manual control and AI assistance. So let's jump right in. To start off, let's tackle manual blurring with the adjustment brush. So import your image and then switch to the develop module. Select the adjustment brush tool located here on the right hand side. Then adjust the brush size and feather to target the background effectively. In the brush settings, navigate to the details section. Drag the sharpening slider down to blur the brushed area. For a natural look, refine the mask by painting with a slightly larger brush to soften the blur near the subject. Lightroom's recent updates have introduced the lens blur feature, which is powered by AI. Here's how to utilize AI for blurring. First, locate the lens blur panel on the right-hand side, or it could possibly be under effects in some versions. Click Apply, then Lightroom automatically analyzes the image and generates a subject mask. Adjust the blur slider to control the background softness, experiment with the bokeh effect to select the desired shape for the blurred highlights, and further refine the effect as needed. If necessary, use the refine brush to fine-tune the mask by adding or removing areas. Now let's compare the two methods. Manual blurring offers precise control, which is ideal for complex backgrounds, but it does require more time and practice. On the other hand, AI lens blur is quick and often accurate, making it perfect for simpler backgrounds or rapid edits. The best approach depends on your image and your desired effect. Experiment with both to determine what works best for you. We also have a bonus tip for you. It's called the graduated filter. For a subtle background softening effect, consider using the graduated filter tool. Once you select the graduated filter tool, drag a gradient from the top of the image downwards, covering the background. In the filter settings, slightly reduce the clarity or sharpening to create a gentle blurring effect, and there you have it. Let us know in the comments which version works best for you and why, because we're really curious to hear. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy editing!